G'day guys, I'm Torbs, and this is actually a new little segment on the channel where we'll be sharing small little tips and tricks, simple tips and tricks to make the painting journey that little bit more easier for you. And today we're going to be taking a look at problem hinges, that is door hinges and window hinges that you sort of need to get behind to paint without actually leaving any paint on the actual hinge. As I said, it's a very simple trick and it will leave your hinges without any messy paint on them.
Like this rendered wall for an example. Cutting it requires you to go over it a few times to fill all the gaps, and that's not the easiest thing to do when space is limited by obstacles like hinges. So a simple solution is whack out the old masking tape and place it on the reverse side of the hinge so it protects the side where you're going to be doing the brushwork. Now you can press the brush against the protected hinge to get the paint right into the edge and get full coverage. Then just remove the tape and give yourself a tap on the shoulder.
And there you go, just an easy trick to make the painting process that little bit more simple.